Yeah, so for those that don't know it, like for the last 5 years, the Supercomputing Conference has been hosting the yearly international workshop on containers and new orchestration paradigms for isolated environments, which is probably a fairly elaborate way to craft convenient and nice acronym, which we call CANOPIE-HPC. It's, I would argue, it's one of the cornerstone gatherings of the containers in HPC community, alongside with this gracious venue. So CANOPIE-HPC will return for its 6th edition at Supercomputing this year in Atlanta. Like the workshop will happen either in November 17 or November 18. It's not yet clear on which of those days. We will open, so I am chairing, along with Claudia, the submission programs. Oversight of the overall workshop is provided by Shane and Andrew, didn't come all the way up to here, but so we are running a little bit late with also coordinating with the workshop chairs, but we are looking to open submissions in early June, so in a few weeks time. And I just got confirmation from the supercomputing chairs that submissions will have to close by August 4. That's a hard deadline because there is a very fixed process for reviews and proceeding submissions, and ultimately the camera-ready submissions will have to be ended in by September 15th. A good news is that while Canopy last year was a half-day workshop, this year we have been reinstated to a full-day workshop. So we are very happy about this.
And a real full day, not like...
Yes. I checked that 3 times.
Good.
So we are looking at a much more rich program. We are going to feature invited speakers and probably a much longer panel at the end of the day at least. So we're trying to put up some fun stuff. About submissions, we're looking, of course, we will have the papers track, which will be published in the proceedings of the conference, and publishing will be provided by the IEEE Computer Society. That's also being confirmed. And we will also host a lightning talks track. So quick 10 minutes for maybe not for topics that are not mature enough to grant a paper. And yeah, that's it. Submit to Canopy your work. We are looking forward to gather all in Atlanta and discuss about containers.
The link we'll have, it's similar to last year in terms of topics. Similar to last year in terms of topics, but if you want to see sort of, what's within the scope of the workshop, just check out the website and it has a list. So just to encourage people to submit anything that you're wanting to share. Thanks.
Yeah, and thanks for reminding me. I didn't notice. We will, once we open the call for submission, we will announce it in the workshop website. We will announce it on the HPC Container Slack, and we'll do our best to relate in as many mailing lists as possible, so we hopefully have enough visibility on it. So thank you, everyone.